physics. It wasn't there until you saw it. Then it became real. It's Schrödinger's cat. The quantum state of superposition. To see something is to change its very existence. It changed reality.
Let's explain Schrödinger's cat in simple terms.
That scene where Styles was taken by the Ghost Riders was like Schrödinger's famous cat in a box. Until Lydia actively remembered him, he remained in the state of being there and not there in reality at the same time. It was until the memories opened the box that his hidden existence became undeniably real.